Hello and welcome everyone. In this video we will learn the use of certain terms like go about, go after, go against, go through, go up in a sentence. So the idea is to know the meaning of these terms and then to use it in your sentence. And the best way to really be confident about using all these terms is you should try to find out more examples using internet or talking to friends. And once you have more examples of or the more sentences used using these terms, then you can use it in public, you can use it among friends, you can write it, and the more you use it in your verbal communication or written communication, the better you become. So let's start. The first term is go about, and the meaning is approach, handle, or begin. I'm just quoting one example here. So I want to get registered for a PhD, but I don't know how to go about it. So the sentence says that I want to get registered for a PhD. I want to get admission in PhD, but I don't know what to do. So instead of saying I don't know what to do, you can always say I don't know how to go about it. It means how to begin it, or how to approach it, or how to handle this situation. All right? The second meaning is circulate or spread. And in a sentence it is used in a way, a rumor is going about that he has been arrested. So a rumor is going about means a rumor is circulating that he has been arrested. So if we use go about instead of circulating or approaching or handling, it means you have better grasp over the language. So I hope, and it becomes more stylish as well. It becomes more stylish, it is more fluent. So I hope you understood these meanings and you will be able to use it. And then we have go after. Go after means to pursue something, to keep doing something, or try to win. And a funny example is given here. He has been going after that girl for months. So he has been going after, which means he has been trying to win the heart of that girl for months. All right? The second meaning is, the second one is go against, which means, as you can see, against is actually, in negative term always. So be the opposite of. Go against means to be the opposite of. His way of life go against my philosophy. So you can use in the sentence like his way of life, or his way of dressing up, how someone dresses up, it goes against my style or my philosophy. So this is one example or one sentence where we have used go against, and you can find more sentences on internet and then you can use it. Then we have go through. Go through means the experience. Okay, if you go through, it means what you experience. After what he has went through. Okay, so the past tense of go is went through. So after what he went through, so what he experienced. Instead of experience, the sentence used went through. Okay, after what he went through with his first partner, he has started hating the idea of being in a relationship. So maybe he had a bad experience in the past in a relationship, with his partner, and now the very idea of relationship, makes him scared, or he hates the idea of relationship. So in this way you can use go through in the place of experience. And then we have go up. This is the last one in this video, and then we will proceed with other terms. So go up means rise, increase. Okay, so the prices are going up every day. The prices are rising every day, or you can use going up, go up. Okay, go up is the first form of the verb, and this is you can use the ing form of the verb in the sentence wherever what is required accordingly. And also go up has a meaning as be consumed, means to be finished or to destroyed. The building went up in smoke. It means the building burnt in fire. Okay, so we can use go up, or the past tense is went up. So the building went up in smoke, which means the building got destroyed. So these are the few examples. I hope you will go back to internet and find out more examples, more sentences, and try to use the same sentences in your daily communication through writing or speaking. And thank you for watching the video.